Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to create online meeting in Microsoft Teams. Here's how to create an online meeting in Microsoft Teams on your Windows. First, launch the Teams desktop app and make sure to sign in with your account. Go to the Calendar tab. On the left-hand menu, click Calendar. Click New Meeting, located at the top right of the calendar page. Enter the meeting title. Type a clear name for your meeting so attendees know its purpose. Add required attendees. Type names or email addresses. Teams will suggest matches from your contacts. Set the date and time. Choose the meeting start and end times. Add a location. You can leave it as Microsoft Teams meeting if it's online only. Write a meeting description. Add an agenda or meeting notes in the description box. Click Save. Teams will schedule the meeting and generate a unique join link. Share the meeting link. The link will appear in the calendar event. Copy and send it via email or chat. Start the meeting when ready. At the scheduled time, click the event in your Teams calendar and select Join to enter the meeting. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.